Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Apache Commons BSF. In today's fast-paced software development landscape, integrating diverse scripting languages within a single Java application can offer immense flexibility and power. BSF serves as the bridge that enables this integration, allowing developers to embed scripts written in JavaScript, Python, using Jython, Groovy, and more directly into their Java applications. This capability is particularly useful for scenarios where dynamic behavior needs to be added without recompiling or redeploying the entire application. From automating business rules to managing configurations dynamically, BSF opens up a world of possibilities. At the heart of Apache Commons BSF is its language-independent architecture. Unlike other solutions that are tied to a single scripting language, BSF allows multiple engines such as JavaScript, Rhino, Python, Jython, or Groovy to be registered and managed dynamically. This design ensures flexibility, letting developers choose the most suitable scripting language for their use case without altering core application logic. The interpreter acts as an intermediary, translating script commands into actions within the Java environment. Additionally, BSF provides a binding mechanism that allows Java objects to be exposed to scripts, enabling seamless interaction between the two worlds. The process of integrating scripts with BSF can be broken down into four main steps. First, you select the appropriate scripting language engine based on your requirements. Next, the script is either compiled or interpreted, depending on the language's capabilities and performance needs. Then comes the binding phase, where Java objects are linked to variables within the script context, allowing scripts to access and manipulate these objects directly. Finally, the script is executed, and any results or side effects are captured back in the Java environment. This workflow ensures that adding dynamic behavior is both efficient and straightforward. Apache Commons BSF finds its application in various real-world scenarios. For instance, dynamic configuration management allows system administrators to modify application behavior through scripts without needing to recompile or restart the application. Another use case is automating complex business rules, where changes can be implemented swiftly by updating scripts rather than going through a full development cycle. Additionally, BSF enables extensible plugin systems, letting third-party developers contribute functionality through scripts that integrate seamlessly with the core application. Like any technology, Apache Commons BSF comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. On the positive side, it offers support for multiple scripting languages right out of the box, making it versatile for different use cases. Integrating scripts into Java applications is streamlined thanks to BSF's design, reducing the complexity involved. Additionally, since scripts can be updated without requiring recompilation, it accelerates development and deployment cycles. However, running multiple scripting engines can introduce resource overhead, impacting performance in resource-constrained environments. There are also security considerations when allowing external scripts to execute within your application. Apache Commons BSF is part of a broader ecosystem of technologies that facilitate scripting and dynamic behavior within Java applications. Bean Scripting Framework itself serves as the core, but it often works alongside other tools like Java Server Pages, JSP, which uses similar principles for web-based scripting. Groovy, being a full-featured scripting language on the JVM, can be integrated using BSF, offering powerful capabilities beyond simple scripts. JavaScript execution within Java is another area where BSF can shine, particularly with engines like Rhino or Nashorn. Additionally, frameworks like Spring utilize expression languages that build upon similar concepts to provide dynamic configuration and behavior. Mastering Apache Commons BSF involves a structured learning path. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of scripting languages and how they operate within a Java environment. Familiarize yourself with the various engines supported by BSF, such as JavaScript or Groovy, and learn how to configure them for your projects. Next, dive into the architecture of BSF itself, exploring its core components like interpreters and bindings managers. Hands-on practice is essential. Try creating simple scripts that interact with Java objects using BSF. As you gain comfort, move on to more advanced topics such as script caching for performance optimization and security best practices when dealing with external scripts. In conclusion, Apache Commons BSF is a powerful tool that enables Java applications to dynamically incorporate scripts from various languages. Its flexible architecture and support for multiple engines make it an invaluable asset in scenarios requiring adaptability and rapid development cycles. We've covered its core concepts, real-world use cases, pros and cons, related technologies, and a roadmap for learning more about BSF. I encourage you to take this knowledge and apply it to your own projects. Experiment with different scripting languages and explore how BSF can enhance the flexibility of your applications. Don't forget to engage with the community, share your experiences, and continue learning to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of software development. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.